Buona giornata! I am Chef Joey Prats. Torta Caprese is a classic Italian flourless chocolate cake from the Isle of Capri, made entirely with ground almonds or ground hazelnuts. Its simplicity, elegance, and exquisite chocolate appeal has made it a favorite among dessert lovers from all corners of the world. This is undoubtedly another highly saleable item you can add to your menu. Learn how to make our Torta Caprese exclusively at the Bailiwick Academy. Due to insistent public demand, our special recipe for authentic Torta Caprese is now an online class at the Bailiwick Academy. The world-famous Torta Caprese is a classic Italian flourless chocolate cake from the Isle of Capri, made entirely with ground almonds or ground hazelnuts. Its simplicity, elegance, and exquisite chocolate appeal has made it a favorite among dessert lovers from all corners of the world. This wonderful cake has several origin stories, but they almost all include a forgetful cook who forgot to add the flour, which is why it is often referred to as uno dei pasticci più fortunati della storia, one of history's most fortunate mistakes. In developing our recipe, I wanted to remain true to the original Italian formula. So I had an associate fly in 3 cakes from 3 different Italian cities, one from Venice, one from Florence, and one from Naples. I tasted, dissected, and analyzed each cake down to the very last crumb. When I was finally satisfied with the data I gathered, and my taste buds were ringing with pure delight from all the tastings, I then started the arduous task of developing our version of this iconic and timeless cake in my test kitchen. Fortunately, the research and development process for this recipe did not take long. After only 4 short weeks, our Torta Caprese recipe was ready to roll out. Although traditional Torta Caprese comes as a plain, unfrosted cake with only a dusting of confectioner's sugar as embellishment, I tried to level up our take on the cake and crown it with a layer of dark chocolate ganache and plump, juicy strawberries. This Torta Caprese is nothing short of spectacular. Home bakers will love the easy, no-frills presentation and preparation of this recipe, as well as the high marketability of the cake. Moist, intensely chocolate, and delightfully nutty, this is undoubtedly another highly saleable item you can add to your menu. This class was designed to equip the learner with the necessary knowledge and skill on how to make our Torta Caprese. Students will learn the fundamental techniques on how to execute the recipe and apply expert methodologies to achieve a professional look on the finished product. The easy step-by-step video tutorial, coupled with our signature foolproof recipe, will allow every student to prepare the cake with ease and confidence. Valuable tips on mise en place, ingredient and equipment identification, storage and shelf life of the finished product, as well as advice on costing and selling price are also included in this exciting class. Learn how to make our timeless Torta Caprese exclusively at the Bailiwick Academy, the country's premier online learning platform.